Hello friends, this is Wikidia IT. Welcome to my another video. Today we'll talk about how to earn $1,000 daily from Google News. Only copy paste job. Is it possible? To know details, just watch this video first to last to be surprised. To get more this related, press the bell icon. Let's start it after a short intro. This works for everyone around the world and it's one of the easiest ways to sign up for Google News. Online, since there is no selling, no affiliate marketing, no social media followers needed, and no previous experience required. You just need to copy and paste some text, and if you stay until the end of this B2B marketing digital, you will be able to make a lot of money because I'll be showing you 3 additional websites from which you can get paid. Well, so if you don't want to get through people, you can select different payment options like a bank transfer, Payoneer, or it others way. Anyways, let's begin with step number 1. Come over to google.com. Step number 2, you want to search for Google News. Once you get it from Google, you need to open the first official website news.google.com. This is the place where you can find the latest news and the latest articles on all the topics around the world. So it's like a newspaper, so you can find everything on here. News about politics, about business, technology, entertainment, sports, science, health, history, whatever you can think of, you can find it on this website. Now, how will this make you money? How will you get your free PayPal money? Well, stay tuned and you will see exactly how this works. So here on the left hand side you have all the categories. You have news about the world. This is about what's happening in the world right now. You have your own local news, which is something what you will not focus on. You simply want to focus only on business, technology, entertainment, sports, science, as mostly health. You can see, for example, if I select the health category, that's going to give you or give me all of the latest news or all of the latest articles related to health. So let's scroll and let's find something interesting on here is. So I'm interested in this article which was uploaded just recently, and it's really good article that a lot of people would click on. So what you need to do is open up one article. Don't worry, you will not have to write articles, and don't worry, you will not have to sell anything. This has nothing to do with affiliate marketing like CPA marketing or whatever. All you really need to do is open up that article and you just want to start copying text from the particular article. For example, I'll copy this article here and I will proceed to step number 3 and proceed to the third website that we'll be using, which is bandbot.com. Here you will need to paste an article which you found on Google News. Spinbot will be write that article for you, so you can have that entire article in your own words, which means that way it becomes completely unique. You will be using those articles on 3 more additional websites which I'm going to share with you. Those websites will pay you for those articles. Some of them are literally going to pay you $1 per word. As you can see, those articles have sometimes thousands of words and you can just do the math anyways. Once you find the article, just paste that text in this box right here, then scroll a little bit down, then click I am not robot, and you will just need to click on now. That's going to rewrite the article entire completely for you. As you can see, the context is pretty much the same, but it's using different words, it's using same synonyms, and it's rewriting it in your own words. So you can copy that unique and you can use it to get paid for those articles. The first website that we'll be using is eatingwell.com. So on eatingwell.com you can submit your own articles, you can write articles for this website and get paid for doing that now, instead of you doing all the hard work of writing. For this you can simply use Google News and Spinbot to create unique and high quality articles, and they will pay you up to $1 per word. So this is the first website, and I have two more for you. So just on this website you can get paid. We'll just need to scroll a little bit down below just until you can find the section where you can find their contact information. So you can just copy their email address and go to your email and just email them with a subject line tele submission or article submission or something along those lines, and just attach the file with your own article which you created. Once you send out that email, they will review it, and if they like it, they will ask you for your payment details. You will tell them if you want to get paid through PayPal. You will tell them my PayPal and my address is here. Then leave your PayPal and your email address. If you want to get paid through bank transfer, just leave their bank details to the other payment methods. Your options are endless because there are new articles in Google News that are coming in every couple of hours, so you can use those articles. Rewrite them with Spinbot, paste them in a Word document or save it in your computer and submit it through your website. So the first one where you can submit your article is again eatingwell.com. You can also submit articles on sierraclub.org. This is over at their website. In order to submit your articles on this website, you just have to follow their instructions. Over here you simply need to email them at this email address right here. So you can copy this and go over to your email, place a contact details and the subject line, just type in a submission and just submit your article now with sierraclub.org. You'll not only be able to submit health and fitness articles like you did with Eating Well, but you will need to find something related to technology or science. So open up an article from the category of science, then copy its text and paste it to Spinbot. Let them rewrite for you and submit it over to sierraclub.org. The third and the last website where you can submit your articles is over at dailymstore.org. You can go over to their submission guidelines and you can read more about how it works. This website will pay you a little bit less money, but it's still a good one to use because you can earn some additional income and maximize your result with this strategy. The great thing about this website is that you'll ask you only for up to 2,000 words and they will pay you around 31 cents per word. So again, it's not as high as the previous two websites, but it's still decent at 31 cents on average. 31 cents per word is not bad at all because it will quickly add up. The more articles you submit on this website, the more money you will be able to make. Of course, not every single article will get accepted, but even if you get one article per day, that's still hundreds if not up to $1,000 a day just by copy and pasting. It was all absolutely free and you don't have to wait around. You can immediately get started with this strategy. Once again, let's summarize this. You need to go over to Google to sign up to Google News to sign up and select a category. From the left hand side, select the article that you will open an article and copy its text you spent about it. Do you have any questions about Google News Income? Let us know in the comment section below. If you like this video, be sure to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest and LinkedIn. And don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.